Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we're getting a little bit of a retracement here. Obviously we do have these bearish divergences which are still coming into play here. You can see the price action is continuing to the upside with a fairly good amount of volume, to be honest, and a lot of momentum, you would say, a lot of impetus. But the RSI kind of looking like it's starting to run out of steam, so I do think we are just coming down the past few days again for another back test here for Vechain as it just continues to go up like this. You can see it's been making, you know, those kind of lower lows, higher highs and higher lows in this local area. You can see the little consolidation that it has been making, and you can see this next little leg up here, but another leg up, now coming back down, maybe coming back down into this area here about halfway down the range for a back test before continuation. Obviously we're in and around that 023 level, which it did look like we were closing above a few days ago, but it does look we've had a little bit of a rejection in that area now, and really we are just essentially waiting for Vechain to figure out what it wants to do. If it is going to break back above this level here, if you look on the hourly time frame, you can see we're in quite a decent little uptrend, basically doing something like this, where we move up, back test, we move up, we'll back test, move up, back test, move up, back test. So if we do move up again, we're probably going to head up towards that overall range high resistance, which in my opinion is going to be a very, very large area of resistance, to be honest. You can see here, resistance and resistance here, support, support. We obviously lost the support, as I said numerous times, with that descending wedge formation with the FTX collapse, but we came back inside the range here, back tested a few times. I got that nice long position which ended in profit as well. And now, looking like essentially we are coming to the upside again. Probably be looking to put in a short position in this area, most likely here, because it seems pretty likely in my opinion that we'll probably see ourselves heading into this resistance and getting a rejection, probably coming back inside the range. And as I've said numerous times, and I will continue to say, now that we're back inside of this range here, I will be trading this range in either direction until it breaks. So if we hit the range high resistance like this, then I'll be looking to trade short positions back inside the range about halfway down. If we come back down to the support here, I'll be looking to trade long positions back inside the range as well, until we see ourselves breaking in either direction and getting a full breakout back test like this, for example, and continuation. Until I see that, I will just be trading the range. And for Vechain right now, really just looks like, it's essentially looking like it's probably consolidating. A lot of people saying that the bottom is in for a lot of cryptos. I'm still not completely convinced, but we are showing a lot of signs of life, obviously, which is good to see. You can see this one bear market resistance here was broken for Vechain, but obviously for Vechain we still have this overall bear market resistance all the way up at around, what is this, 5.5 cents? 5.5 cents here, where I think realistically we do need to be breaking above that cleanly, doing something like this and starting to head back up through some levels before I will consider it being out of bear market territory, because we could still see Vechain here essentially coming down, making macro lower lows, lower highs, and if we don't break this high here, we could still come down and make a macro lower low, obviously. So keeping my head screwed on, not committing to anything too early, but I do think we are showing a lot of good positive signs in the market in general. Obviously Bitcoin as well showing some positive signs, and I do think sooner or later we're probably going to see ourselves heading back into a bull market, maybe sometime this year, probably sometime next year, in my opinion. But just do be prepared for that fact, because it probably will come around faster than you think. We've been down in the dumps for a long time here, but obviously showing a decent amount of life right now, at the very least having a little bit of a rally before, a bit more sideways, etc. So that would be my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a member. If you do, you'll get access to the private Discord, and it really helps the channel out. So if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a member. That would really help me out, and I'd really appreciate it. It just allows me to continue making videos like this and basically doing the things that I want to do. So if you do want to support the channel, please do consider doing that, and I'll see you in the next video.